5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Middle through post, 5 left, 60. 4 left, 300 over small crests. Bumps and turn acute left, hole inside. 300 over small crest. There's your marker. Bumps and turn acute left, hole inside. Into 5 right, narrow and steep, 60. It's not steep, is it? 5 right over bump. 130 over bumps, turn hairpin left over big bump, tight. Turn hairpin right. Hairpin right tight. Three left 40. 6 right tightens into 5 right long. 5 right long, 100, 4 left over slippy past junction 130, 6 left over crest 100, small crest 130 down, 1 right and 6 right. 40 up middle, 6 right, 46 left, 150, 6 left continues for 200, keep it going, it's a long one, 200,
yep. We're flat,
and then 100, 6 right continues for 150, 4 left drop outside opens over small crest. 130 4 left. 80 5 right. 100 down middle, 6 left long. 80 turn 2 right, don't cut tight. 6 right, don't cut, slow in.
Sorry, man.
40, not your fault. 1 right, continues. 40. 3 left, long, tight, into 6 right, tightens. Into 4 right, long, 40. 4 right, long. 4 right, 300 through dip. Small crest long into 5 right, 250. Keep going, 250. 6 left continues to 150, tightens into 2 left, into turn square right very tight. Continues for 150. Keep going. 2 left. Into turn square right, very tight. 170 slippy, turn square right. Four right, continues for 150. 130, turn acute left tight. tightens at junction into 1 left slippy. Repeat, 4 left, continues for 130, tightens at junction into 1 left. And 5 left long over crest. 60, 6 left. 400 down middle. Got a 5 left slow in 40, open hairpin right long. Here's your 5 left. Right, tightens over crest camber and 4 left. 80, chicane left entry. And 2 right. 80, 6 right. 80, 2 left tight, 40. 4 right half long, don't cut. 200. Through gate, 6 right through gate, sudden turn acute left very tight. 6 right through gate, sudden turn acute left very tight. Middle through post, 150. Hairpin right tight. .250. Six right past lane, 350. Left tightens into 1 left long very tight. Cheers. 60. Small crest long into 3 right long. 130, triangle ahead. Turn 1 right, hairpin left long, and immediately 1 right through junction opens. Well done, a lot better.
Tricky that one.
600, yeah, very. Small crest long into small jump dip, 250. Chicane left entry. Small crest middle, 200 through dip, crest into 1 right long and narrow, crest into 1 right long and narrow, 40, 2 left in, 4 right don't cut, 60, 4 left long, in, 130, 2 right, opens for 150, continues into 6 left. Continues for 150 into 6 left. left long, past junction into 5 right. I ain't got that on here.
No.
4 left.
Yep.
130, 4 left long, drop outside. I ain't got that on here. Why, I don't know. You're going blind again for this bet.
Junction
4 left.
24.
4 left, yeah, 4 left. 130. 4 left long, drop outside. 100. 5 left. 170. Small crest, 4 left through dip. Got ya. 500. I didn't have the chicane, that's why.
Yep. Yeah.
170, yeah, you got 500 down here. Bump grip. You're going 170, 6 long, 6 left. 60 down. There's your 6 left. 60 down, 2 right, don't cut. .40. 1 right long, don't cut, tight. 60, 2 right, don't cut. 2 right, don't cut. 40, 2 right in. Keep going, keep going.
Yeah, I was looking to see who was off.
60, 4 left, and 4 right long, and 5 left in. 350. 6 left, logs on left past junction. Repeat, 6 left, logs on left. 60. 6 right, don't cut, 40. 2 left opens long, 150. Slight left and 1 right tight. 1 left. And 6 right long slippy. And 5 left over small crest. Tightens into 2 left slippy, continues. .60, 5 left, 40. 5 left long, 80, stayed left, middle through lay-by, turn hairpin right long. .230 up middle. .6 right over small crest, don't cut, 250. Over bumps and finish. It's a big crest jump here.
Woohoo!
Oh, that's it, mate.